Today, Help Me Hank spent the day in Flint talking to folks just learning no one will face charges as the result of the Flint water crisis.
It's coming after the Michigan Supreme Court ruling shut down basically any legal road moving forward. Our consumer investigator Hank Winchester live tonight from Flint. What did you hear today, Hank?
You talk to the people here in the city of Flint, you understand why they are angry. It's hard for many to believe after everything that happened, no one will be held legally responsible for poisoning the people of the city. What do you think? When you learn that people are not going to be held legally responsible for what happened here, what do you think?
Well, I have only one thing to say, that is, I thought no one was above the law, but apparently I thought wrong.
Carolyn is a lifelong resident of Flint. She's disappointed, angered that no one will likely face any criminal charges for the water crisis in her community, a crisis that deeply impacted her own life.
I have lead in my system, 3%, and my doctor did a test and found it. And I've had some health problems.
Do you drink the water now, even though they say they've changed a lot of the pipes? Do you trust it or no?
I do not trust it. I don't drink it.
Karen Weaver was mayor of Flint at the height of the crisis.
You know what? I hate to tell you what I thought because
No, tell me. It's okay.
because I wasn't surprised.
Yeah.
And that's the bad part, is to not be surprised by what has happened.
Yeah.
Because we've been seeing it unfold, and every step of the way has turned out where no one's being held accountable for what happened in the city of Flint.
Yeah.
And it's angering.
Weaver says although some work has been done in the city to replace lead service lines, many in this community have lost faith. They no longer trust government. They no longer trust the water. And she says at this point, she doesn't blame them.
When you see these kinds of things happen, you know, it makes you lose hope, and it makes you lose trust.
Yeah. While the legal case essentially has come to an end, there is a financial payout many are still waiting for here in this community. That money directly going to those impacted, and also working to establish programs to help those that need it the most here in Flint. I'm Hank Winchester. Help Me Hank, Local 4.
All right, Hank. Michigan's Attorney General Dana Nessel says she is very disappointed in the Supreme Court's decision. We've posted her entire statement on clickondetroit.com.